Today, we're going to be using a wet and dry vac to unblock the sink. Almost 99% effective at unblocking any drain, sink, basin, shower, almost any waste whatsoever. Because all you have to do is simply make sure that there's an airtight connection on whatever you connect it to. What we're going to do today is connect it direct to the drain and try to vac the drain clear. Point, I realized we must block all orifices, all outlets to make it airtight when the vac is working. I'm leaving the water running so it creates a nice tight air gap around the top of the vac. It's pulling hard now, pulling out almost everything out of the drain. And there it is. Effective solution available at almost any hardware shop, enabling you to unclog almost any drain.